Okay, what's up guys? This is Michael and welcome back to Naked Crypto. So I'm a TA and I do naked trading and Elliott wave theory. So last video guys, that was support and resistance. We go to the monthly and we draw our support and resistance just like this. Lots of bounces on this area. This would be our resistance here. Somewhere right here. Another support or resistance here. And for sure here. So today's video we're going to talk about trend lines. Make sure to read the disclaimer. So if you want to learn how to trade, empty your cup so that it will be filled. I know you guys use indicators, but I don't. So we are now lesson 2, which is trend lines. Okay, lesson 2, trend lines. So what are trend lines? So trend lines are lines drawn to connect from low to high or high to low. It also serves as support and resistance. Okay guys, we'll go to New Zealand JPY. So let's see trend line here. So touch here, almost here and one here. And what happened is the price broke on this trend line and it went up. And if we can also draw a trend line here, what happened to the price? It broke down to the downside. And let's see another here. So the price, this is our trend line here, and the price tried to break on this trend line and it go up. So just to let you know guys, this is on the weekly chart guys, okay? Let's see somewhere here too. So what happened is the price broke on this trend line and the price go down. Let's see somewhere here. So yeah, the price tried to break here on this first try. It failed, and it tried again. It failed, and it failed, and finally, so one, two, three tries failed, and the price go up. But yes, the price go up, but it went down again and bounced to this trend line. And what happened? The price go up. Okay, and another trend line here. Let's see somewhere here. So the price touch here. The price tried to break on this trend line, and another one, second try, and the third try, it tried to bounce back and forth on this trend line, and the price finally broke down. But it also tried to go up here again and tried to go up from this trend line, but it failed again. Okay, another thing guys, last video we talked about the support and resistance. That's also the reason why the price find it hard to break on this trend line, because of there's also another resistance here. The price really reacted on these areas. So that's how you do it guys. So so this is actually they call it the area of confluence. So there you go guys. How many touches here? How many? So how many touches here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So even on the future, let's say this thing didn't happen yet. So the price really reacted on this support here. So another so let's continue the trend line. So this is what we have, another trend line here. So the price reacted here. This 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 almost, 7 almost, and 8 almost here. And there you go guys, the price finally break on this trend line. Okay guys, let's go for more example. This is Euro USD on a monthly. So the price, let's see here, the price broke on this trend line and it tried to go up again, but it failed, and another try again to go up here and touch another here, and the price go down. Okay, let's draw another trend line here. What happened is touch 1 here, touch 2, touch 3, and finally the price tried to react here, and it did go up, but it failed. It went back below the trend line. Again, it reacted again here. So let's see the price, it might still go down here. And another thing, there's a support here. Yeah, sure. Let's see, somewhere here I guess. So right now there's also a resistance here or support. That's why the price is also reacting on this area guys. Okay, another example guys, New Zealand USD. So the price, let's see, draw this trend line here, or even here, So the price reacted here and finally broke on this trend line. So the price go up, and now then look at that. It tried to touch on this trend line again, then the price go up. Okay, and let's see, let's see somewhere here. Look at that, guys. Look at that. So the price reacted here. The price broke on this trend line. It went down, and look at that. How many touches are these? 1, 2, 3, 4. Several touches here and 6 or almost here. Look at that. Almost. Look at that. The price reacted on this trend line, guys. And another thing, guys, is S&P. Look at this. See, I posted this one, guys, on this since August 23rd. Follow me on Facebook, Naked Crypto. So look at this. I draw this trend line here, guys. So touch 1 here, touch 2. So what happened is the price failed here. So the price went down. So what happened here? So look at that. 1, 2, 3 failed tries here. 1, 2, 3. But the fourth one is, it went up now. So look at that, guys. So are we now on bull market? So comment down below, guys. And another thing is Bitcoin. Okay, so let's try Bitcoin from the lowest to the high. So another trend line is somewhere here. Let's project this thing didn't happen yet. So what happened is, see, look at this. The price from low to the highest. We drew a trend line here. Okay, actually somewhere here. And let's draw another trend line here from here. Okay, so this is your primary trend line, secondary, and the tertiary trend line. You know what, we can choose a different color. So there you go, guys. So from here to here, actually, okay, guys, I posted this one since April 28th, actually. So what happened is, this is the primary trend line here, and this is our secondary trend line. So what happened is, I posted this one since April 28th. I mentioned it, the price of Bitcoin will drop, and it did drop, guys. This is actually my outro on YouTube. Okay, here is it, guys. Okay, this is the one. See, I posted this one on other channels that the price of Bitcoin will drop, and it did drop. See, another trend line here. So the price of Bitcoin go up. So another thing, guys, from low to high, what happened to the price here? The price reacted on this trend line, so it also serves as support and resistance. So there you go. The price reacted here, and we can also move our trend line here. So this is actually what I did. I moved the trend line, and I said the price of Bitcoin will go down to $30,000. And what happened is, it really did drop to 29K or 30K. Okay, and that's how you do the support and resistance. And right now, guys, look at this. Look at this. The price of Bitcoin already broke on this trend line here. And now, guys, I'm projecting that bull market has already begun. So comment down below, guys, what do you think? Are we now on a bull market, or we're still on the bear market? So if you find this video informative, if you can give me a thumbs up, that would be appreciated. It helps the algorithm so that I can help me other people, guys. Find me on Facebook, Naked Crypto. I post all my gains here. Alright, guys, so this is all I got. Plan your trade your plan, and trade with passion. Bye. I'll see you on the next video.